Hello everyone, let me show you how the S40 sets the silent mode first. So let's first light up the screen. Press asterisk and hashtag to enter the system settings mode. Enter password to verify administrator. Press hashtag to confirm to enter system mode. Verification successful. 1. Add a user. To delete the user, 3. System settings, press 3 to enter the system settings. 1. Unlocking mode. To volume settings, press 2 to enter the volume settings. Press 1 volume low, press 2 volume medium, press 3 volume high, and press 0 to mute. Mute is on. The above are all the steps on how to set the silent mode on the S40.